Here's a quick, simple exercise when you feel stuck and you just don't know where to begin. And we're not always like stuck in this deep creative block. Sometimes we just need a little help getting going. So I usually work my way through different steps before I figure out, oh, this is a deep creative block versus I just need to get moving. So the first thing I do in this case would be to come in my studio. I've got tons of these old panels that are like half abandoned and maybe they were practice or whatever, but they've got, a lot of paint on them. So I'll take one of them. And you can see, there's nothing really great about this one. I was practicing with ideas and it just, I don't know, didn't land with me. So, that's part of the artist life here. So what I do then is I'll just take a brush or a tool. Actually, let me try this tool. I'll come in and I'll take a dark color of paint. Any dark color will do, but in this case, I'm using brown. And I'll just make I'll come in and I'll do that. And it looks like, yeah, I'm intentionally ruining this. But it was just a practice panel anyway, so it's no big deal. And we have to disconnect from that. But what this does when you come in and you put like this big, bold, dark mark here is it causes you to react. So now you have to do something because it can't stay like this. And that's the whole thing. You just took an action to do something about a painting, and now you have something to react to. So then what I do is just, these two steps. Then I take a light color, any light color. So I happen to have this one here, and I'll just come and I'll make another mark, right? And this alone is enough of the reaction that I need to start getting going on a painting, because now you look at it and you go, oh, well, it can't get any worse than this. I've got to do something about it. And that's all it really is. So I don't want you to think that there's this magical process that we have to go through. Most of the time, it's just getting out of that stationary or thinking phase and taking some sort of action to move in the direction of a painting, which is what we want. And that's all it is. And here's the funny thing is, after we take some sort of action, even if it's not successful, like this is not what I want, but it's enough to get me going to then feel better that I'm not stuck anymore, because, okay, at least I'm moving. And so now I just keep on moving and I keep on painting. And before I know it, those little steps will come together, add up, and I am on my way to painting again.